Hi, my name is Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about some essential oil treatments and other treatments that you can use to combat warts. So the first thing we want to do is get together our supplies that we're going to need in order to create our topical application of essential oils for these warts. Castor oil or two other essential oils and a Band-Aid. I personally like to use castor oil as my base oil, although you can use any other oil that you normally prefer to use, but I like the antiviral and the drawing effects that the castor oil has. So to our castor oil, we also want to gather two other essential oils. The rosehip essential oil is an excellent first choice, and then I usually like to add an additional essential oil that has some antiviral properties, and there's many options out there. But in particular, I like to use thyme or oregano essential oil to add to that. So once we add that to the castor oil, we could go ahead and find a Band-Aid, and with that we can place the essential oil with the castor oil on the Band-Aid and cover the wart. We need to repeat that treatment with a fresh supply at least once a day. If any irritation happens or you have any kind of redness, although it's normal, some people can have a reaction to the essential oils, and you should discontinue and make sure that you wash the area. But because most warts are caused from a somewhat weakened immune system and a virus that we all have in us is what causes those warts, it's important that we treat internally at the same time we treat externally. So there are again a variety of fresh herbs that we can use, but things that are very easy to find in your grocery store are herbs like the thyme and oregano that we can make a nice strong tea that surprisingly is very yummy. So we can take some of those fresh herbs, make a tea, and drink it once or twice a day at the same time that we're applying the application of the essential oils externally to knock out that wart. If for any reason that you start to get any increased redness or pain with the wart, you should go ahead and contact a trained medical professional or a well-trained herbalist. So this is Bob Lindy in St. Petersburg, and these are a great way to easily affect some warts that may be causing you some problems and things that you can find in your local store.